I am here today to discuss about climate change. But before that, let's discuss first about the importance of environment. We all know that environment is the surrounding in which we live. It is composed of biotic and abiotic components. So the needs of human being for food, water, shelter, and other things depends on the environment around us. But all the actions have brought a big change in this planet, which resulted many environmental problems, such as increasing invention of new technologies and human behavior are correspondingly very serious. One of the major sources of pollution are the water, land, noise, personal, and so on and so forth. So the question is, what is climate change? What is the cause and effect of it? So how can we assure that we can minimize it or rebuild to its original form? So let's all find the answers. Human activities from pollution to overpopulation are driving the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. The main cause of this phenomenon are the greenhouse effect, the gases of the atmosphere such as the water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons let the sun's light in. The more green gases in the atmosphere, the more heat contracts, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature.
So we are here at Moncayo College of Arts, Science and Technology to hear our insights of one of the professor of OneCast about climate change. So let's go.
Hi everyone, so we're here to interview Sir Wendy. Hi sir, good afternoon sir.
Hello, good afternoon.
So, with regards to our community service sir, what can you say about climate change?
Global warming and climate change. I believe that global warming or climate change are issues we are facing today, especially with the trend about globalization. So the world is improving, developing. We have so many industries, factories, but these factories are releasing gases which create or contribute to this so-called global warming and greenhouse effect. So that means every development we always face consequences.
Okay? So what can you say sir to our viewers in order for them to be to have that knowledge with regards to the climate change?
For the climate change, for the listener, for the viewer, we have this contribution in minimizing the effect of global warming, particularly by just being responsible in keeping our garbages or by just minimizing using materials or chemicals that can produce harmful gases, especially contributors of global warming.
Thank you very much sir.
God, it's so hot!
That is because of climate change.
You're right, Christelle. Little did you know that all the energy from the Earth are originated from the Sun.
The Earth rotates around its axis, but the Earth's axis is not upright. It leans an angle. The angle changes time and over about 41,000 years, moves around 22.1 degrees and 24.5 degrees and back in time. When the angle increases, what is that? The summer became warmer and the winter became colder.
You mean that the movement of the plates can causes volcanoes and mountains to form and thereto contributed in the change of climate?
Yes, and large mountain chains can influence the circulation of the air around the globe, and it can consequently the climate change and the warmth of the air of the mountain can be cooler.
Oh, it's that? Volcano affect the climate through dust and gaseous particles thrown into the atmosphere during eruptions.
I know.
Therefore, the carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor makes the greatest contribution to the greenhouse effect because there is more of it.
You're perfectly right.
Priscilla?
As what we have heard earlier, that the climate change or the global warming is a controversial issue in the world. And partners, did you know that climate change is also called a global warming? And it also refers in the rise of the temperature in the atmosphere of the Earth. So one of the consequences of the climate change or the global warming is that it affects our health, it affects the people, it affects the living organism in the world.
And
Yes.
one of the activity of human that can destroy our environment is that burning of oil or the fossil fuels that one of cause greenhouse effect.
Climate change is a global challenge that threatens every nation, no matter how large or small, wealthy or poor a nation is.
The Philippines is home to the almost 90 million people, is one of the most vulnerable country of climate change.
So that is what is climate change is all about. It ruins our surroundings, it ruins our environment. And also, in order for us to aid or combat the climate change, we need to plant more trees to help each other and also to discipline.
Instead of illegally cutting trees, we should plant more of it. Trees are actually our ace cards against climate change. And not only that, trees and plants also produces natural food. It saves lives and it saves the world from hunger.
Hi everyone! We just ended our community service. So here are the volunteers in doing such activity. So hi everyone! Here are the volunteers of the community service that has been conducted by Moncayo College of Arts, Sciences and Technology. So hi everyone! We have here Sir Manolong, our NSTP coordinator. So let's hear his insight about this community service to help the climate change that is happening in our country.
Hello, good afternoon everybody. So we're here right now at Port of Six Poblacion Moncayo Campus, Davao de Oro, formerly Campus de la Valley. And as of the moment, we are conducting this cleanup drive as a greening program sponsored by the municipality of Moncayo. This is, of course, a greening program, very important for the students so that they would be aware as to what is happening right now in our environment. This is also very timely because our discussion in NSTP is, or shall I say, we'll talk about pollution. Pollution is of course defined as an alteration of the surrounding caused by human action. So for this one, students would be aware as to what humans are actually doing to destroy the environment, and this pollution could also affect the environment, shall I say, and could contribute to the so-called global warming. Global warming is a very serious environmental issue right now. So I think this could help for the students to really see the current situation of our environment, and also this could really help our environment to somehow lessen the pollution, like that. So
Thank you, sir.
So